Monday, November 10, 2025, 8:27 p.m. Since Monday man, wala tayo gibuhat for today. Active recovery. So, also calorie deficit diet for today. Lara. So, ugma. Kapamantad dere. Had an earlier meeting sa company. So, nagantag priorities for the work for this week. So, may tabuan adjust na punta sa tong training plan, sa tong workout. Pwede na lang sa tomorrow napaman ko dire sa balay. Bike lang tayo in the morning, then after work afternoon run. So that's it for today. For today's upload, ginakount na ko ang day. So today is more day 7 na. Ginakount na tong days para sirado 118 days for the IM 70.3 training. Kinahanglan na siguro og haircut. That's it. Ug manasad, go ahead.